Hi everyone, let us start with real numbers, exercise 1.2 and question number 3 today. So express 1 by 13. So the question is 1 by 13 in decimal form. Find the length of the period of decimals. So length of the period of decimals, this is a little new term. So let us have a quick recap of what is that and then do our question. The period of length of the period of decimals is nothing but you have to find the length which is getting repeated, which means the number of repeating decimals. Repeating decimals. So if you could see 1 by 3 is our first question example here. 1 by 3 if you divide this 3 gets on repeating. So the first number, only one number is getting repeated, number of repeating decimal. So the answer will be 1. So now if you go to a second example for clear understanding, 27 divided by 110. If I divide, I am getting this answer, which means I get 2 first, but this 45 is getting repeated. So the number of decimals which is getting, not the number of decimals after the decimal point. The number of decimals getting repeated, that is important. So there are 2 decimals getting repeated, so the length will be, yes, the length will be 2. So with this quick recap, let's move on to our question. Our question is 1 divided by 13. So if you could see, I have given the 13th table here for easier reference, but you have to be clear with the 13th table to do this kind of questions. Else you might have to keep on multiplying and then write your answer. So let me start writing this. You have to divide 1 by 13. Please make sure you don't put it in the other way. So 1 divided by 13. 1, it doesn't have 13. So I put my 0. And then if I see again nothing is there. So 10. 10 if you put 0, again you can't divide it. So I have to put your 0 there. Now I have to add one more 0 to get it. So if you could say 100, 104 is there. So we have to stop here. 7 times is 91. So this will be 7 times 13. And please be very careful when you do the division. Is 91. So now if you are going to say the remainder is 90 and then 90 means obviously the next one, this will be 6 times 13 is equal to 78. So 6 times of 13 will be 78. I forgot the 0 here, you put the 0 and drop it down. And now if you see 90 minus 78 is 1, 2. 12 you don't have, and so put your 0 here and bring your 0 back down, and then it will be 120. 120 means if you could check here, obviously it is going to be 9 13s are 117. So put your 9 here, 117. We have to keep on doing the division, so let's make it fast. 117 means it will have your 3. Let me put my next 0 here and drop it down. If you drop it down, you get your 30. So 30 means where it is 2 times. So 2 times is, again, you will get your 26. So beat around with the tables and then you can put your 4. 40. 40 means obviously it will be 2 times. 3 times. 3 times means 3, if you put, I am dropping this 0 down. So 3 times will be 39. Oh my god, it's going. Okay, anyways, we'll continue. And then 39. 39 means we'll get your 1 here, right? So I think we'll have our repeatings now. 1 means be very careful here. You can't do anything here. So we have to put 1 is reminder. So let's add my 0 here and let it drop it down. If it drops down 10, there is no 13s in 10. So I'm putting my 0 times here. Then only you can put your next 0 and you can drop it down. If you drop it, it will be 100. So see here, we are into this point. So anyways, I will write it from the top 100. And now 100 means what we'll do? The same thing you have to repeat where it is 91. So let me put 7 here and it will be your 91. So now if you could see the 07 is getting repeated, so we can stop at this point, which means I'm stopping at this point. If I subtract also, what I'm going to get is the next level over here, 100 minus 91, which is nothing but your 90. So you will get your 9 over here, and if you drop, you will get If you drop the next 0, you will get 90, the same thing. So with this, so we can stop our division and it will be like this thing is getting repeated. Let me write here 1 divided by 13 is equal to, write it carefully, 0.07692, then 07. So it's like you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 digits are going on getting repeated. So now can you say what is the length of the period of the recurring decimal here? Yes, it is 6 because 6 decimals is going to come again and again. Like it will come as 0.76923. Keep on repeating again and again. So your length of the period of the decimal is 6. Hope you understood this question. I'll give you a clear note of this in the next step. Thanks for watching. Bye.